I'm always looking for easy small projects that I can make with scraps of fabric. This simple coin purse is what I ended up making. I included the pattern that I drew up on my website if you check out the link below, and it also has the steps that I took to create this cute and simple ducky zip purse. So start by cutting out your pieces and apply the interfacing to the reverse side of the fabric. Now you want to attach the zipper. Place the zipper face down against one of the curved sides of the fabric and pin it in place. You want to leave about 1 inch of zipper free on the tail end of the zipper. Then you also want to repeat that for the second side. So you want the zipper to be pinned face down on both sides of the bag. And then you want to sew the zipper in place. Here's the part where it gets a little bit tricky. You want to add the lining over the top of the zipper, lining up the edges of the fabric with the edges of the lining. So the teeth of the zipper will still be facing inside of the bag, and you're still leaving about 1 inch of zipper free from the seam at the end. And then you want to sew the front and back lining to the zipper and bag. Now all we really have to do is sew up the sides of the bag. Sew both sides of the coin pouch closed and one side of the lining. Leave a gap in the other side of the lining so that we can turn it right side out through that gap. After turning right side out, you want to sew up the gap. Make sure to only sew the lining and not accidentally catch it in the bag fabric. And that's it, you're already finished. You have a cute little coin pouch that you can use.